Hi, I am Dr. Clementina Ramirez. I am a skills officer at the Alan Turing Institute. In this video, I will explore important aspects to consider when developing your AI team assembly strategy. What steps can I take to build an AI team? Should I invest in upskilling my employees or hire new talent? Do I focus on building collaborative partnerships or do I engage in external consultancy services? There is no one size fits all strategy. It's about finding what suits your business needs. To create a team assembly plan, define role descriptions that reflect your AI team job duties. Identify and evaluate upskilling and recruitment initiatives that best meet your operational needs. Ensure that the plan is aligned with your business strategy. AI teams may be formed by a combination of upskilled employees, new hires, subject matter experts, and consultancy providers. For example, if your organization already has a team composed of data scientists and senior software engineers, upskilling your employees with AI competencies may be a suitable alternative. On the other hand, if you do not have in house expertise, engaging an external consultant to support you with your AI and team assembly strategies may be an appropriate course of action. To ensure that upskilling and talent acquisition programs are meeting your business goals, define and regularly monitor metrics of success. Finally, foster multidisciplinary collaboration and develop an effective communication strategy. In summary, building a successful AI team requires defining roles and responsibilities for your AI team, understanding the competencies required by your team across all phases of the AI project lifecycle, developing a team assembly strategy that is aligned with your business goals, and building effective cross-team collaboration frameworks. Thanks for watching this video. We invite you to explore our BridgeAI opportunities.